Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Deepin desktop community OS 25 version on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to Deepin official website, that is deepin.org. Then click on download and help. Then see here we have the ISO download. Click on either of them. Then see here we have different options: download BitTorrent, SourceForge, Baidu Cloud, Google Drive. Click on download. Then see here Deepin desktop community 25.0. Click on it to download to register. See, download started and its size is about 5.9 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. See here, I have already downloaded Deepin desktop community 25 ISO image. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you haven't installed VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Then click on new or machine and select new. Both are same to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders by clicking on this drop down and select other. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Then select the downloaded ISO image. See, once we selected OS, change it to Linux, OS distribution to Ubuntu, but it is based on Debian, so select Debian and Debian 64-bit. Don't select this, proceed with unattended installation. Then go to hardware information. I am giving 4 gigabytes. Number of CPU equals 2. Then hard disk I am giving 100 gigabytes. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or just select it and click on settings. And if you are okay with all the settings, then select start and normal, start with GUI, or select it and click on start. See here we have the different options. I am going to install Deepin 25 with kernel 6.12 desktop and hit enter. Now select the language and select the I have read and agree the end user license agreement and privacy policy checkbox. Then click on next. See here installation methods: install ISO or install UIMG. I am going to install by using this one, so select it and see here we have different options: full disk, custom and advanced. I am going with full disk. Then see here we have the install modes: default, encrypt disk, enable a volume extension, or keep user data. I want to go with the default, so click on next. See, ready to install. Click on start installation. See, installation started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. See, successfully installed. Click on also. See here, click the below button, then remove the installation media immediately. So click on restart now. Then go to here, click, remove this. See, I have removed the attached ISO image. See, still it went to initial state. Close it, power off, then start it again. Now we have to create or set up user account. I am giving username as R2 schools and this is the computer name or host name. Let also you can change it. Then provide the password for the above user. Then if you want to quick login, select it, then click on next. System settings, if you want to configure any one of them, you have to click on these drop downs and you have to select. I am okay with all defaults, so click on next. Now it is configuring computer. Now provide the password of this user and hit enter. Now open terminal, more/etc os-release. See here we have installed Deepin 25. Okay, the first step after connecting to Deepin is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update ampersand sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, updation and upgradation is in progress. This will take time. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Deepin OS 25 desktop community edition on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.